live. Hi Ragini, welcome to IndianWikimedia.com.
Hi guys.
How
That
are
was
you?
Sudden. I'm good. Thank you. How are you all?
What's happening? What is Ragini doing? What is keeping her busy?
Right now, I have been honestly under this whole. I don't know. This new year has been like. I've just been like. I've recovered 2 days ago. So now, yes, let's get going for the new year.
So what happened to you?
Nothing, just like normal seasonal change and basic stuff.
Okay, so what kind of projects is Ragini looking forward to in future now?
What I'm looking forward to good scripts coming along my way, and yes, that's about it. And good people to work with.
Okay, and how has been your journey on television so far?
It's been fantastic everywhere, wherever I have been, and whatever kind of work I've done, it's been great, and it's been really, experimental. I could use that word because I've dabbled in so many different things, and each project or each assignment I've done has been so diverse from the other, and they're so different from the previous ones that I actually sometimes wonder that do I consciously make those decisions or they just happen, or it's just that monotony bogs me down and I just tend to make a choice which is so diametrically opposite than my previous assignment. So I think it's a pattern I've observed in my career. Otherwise, yeah, basic stuff.
Okay.
I'm just someone temporarily silent. I'm just someone who basically is going with wherever life is taking me right now.
Okay. And which show has been Ragini's special one or closest to her heart?
In terms of my work,
Yes.
I've done 3 fiction shows on television, and they all have been extremely close to me. My first show is obviously very close to me because it's my first show. My second show was Bhaskar Bharti, so it was extremely close to me as well. And my third show was Sasrali in the Pool, which made me reach in everyone's houses and homes, and it made me a part of everyone's family. So all 3 are special. Apart from those, I did some non-fiction TV shows. So it's been quite an interesting journey, honestly, for somebody like me who never intentionally wanted to be an actor. I'm not saying I'm an actor by chance. I'm definitely not an actor by chance. I've done a lot of hard work, and I've really made efforts to reach wherever I have wanted to be in a certain space of work. So yes, it's not definitely not. You can't do so much hard work by chance. It's obviously intentional. But yeah, it's been an interesting route.
So you always wanted to become an actress?
No, I want to be a singer. And I learned in classical vocals for 15 years, and yeah, so but I didn't know how to approach music directors and ask for work because I just didn't know the route. So, but I knew how to text and audition for parts, and I met a lot of casting directors and coordinators who would send me for auditions and casting, for movies or music videos or commercials. And I did so many commercials. Yeah, quite a lot of work.
So
in
we
7
have
years of time, 8 years.
We have a lot of fans of yours, so we'll chat with them. So Poonam is saying hi, and she's saying that I loved your first show and you're looking very beautiful today.
Thank you so much. I am just in a very basic jacket, and I'm always I've always dressed down in my personal life because that's the person I am.
Yeah.
I'm a very simple person, and my job offers me a lot of opportunities to doll myself up and get ready. So I kind of enjoy the difference, and I enjoy the change because I sometimes don't recognize myself when I'm fully done up. I'm like, oh my god, I'm not looking good. Yeah, I can look nice.
So Girja, your fan, is asking if you had to pick one show of yours, which one you pick? Your favorite one?
It's like asking me to pick up which eye of yours you like.
Yeah.
Do you like your left eye? Do you like your right eye? I've done immense amount of
Yes.
hard work in all of them. I can't. How well the audience has received it is obviously based on popularity, and it's based on the kind of reach. But that's all different. That has to do with marketing and many other different factors. But the passion for the skill and the craft is equivalent in all of them. It's the same.
Okay. So Girja is asking, what is your next project? When will we audience seeing you back on screen?
I am dying to come back on screen like really soon. Actually, I'm just having fun with my work, honestly speaking. There's nothing more, nothing less to it. I'm having fun.
So do you wish to be part of a digital platform web series also?
Yes, if, a good director and a good writer, then why not? See, that's what I'm saying. Digital is, the platform is not a question.
Okay.
The question is the story and the screenplay, the writer, the director. So my platform is not, obviously I would want my work to reach its maximum potential and its the largest audience, but even if it's a digital platform, it has to be on a space where it reaches out on a larger level of audience.
Okay, so Poonam is asking, if you had to pick one memorable moment from Sasural Genda Phool, so which one it be?
One memorable moment from Sasural Genda Phool? It would be one major faux pas which happened with me during the moment, and I was shooting back to back, and television is really exhausting, and so when I did Bhaskar Bharti, I just didn't know what to say. Because when I can't express myself in words, I start crying. I was like, what am I gonna do? I've never missed a flight. This is so embarrassing. It's such a big show. The entire star team is going to be there. Mr. Uday Shankar is going to be there. Gaurav Banerjee, Ravi Oja, the entire cast of 13 people. Everybody flew up to Delhi, and I was the only one missing. So they were like, "Don't worry, we were prepared for this since we wrapped you up at 11 in the night. We have booked you onto a 7 o'clock flight." So I rushed, reached the airport, whatever time, some flight they booked me, put me on the next flight. And so I went to the next flight, and I made it to the press conference exactly on time. So thank God for that. Otherwise I would have cursed myself for life. So this is one moment I can never forget. It was a horror moment for me, because you cannot not attend your press conference of your own show.
So Riya is asking, what motivates you to become an actor?
It's purely the love for the craft. And
Hangover. Wow.
This is an Akshay Kumar song.
Yes.
Not bad.
Okay, the other one is, my heart is each and every time desperate to hear it. Say no, you love me. Keep saying it that you love me. My heart is each and every time desperate to hear it. Say no.
Hear it.
Yeah, hear.
मेरे कान सुनने के लिए बेताब है, कहो ना प्यारे कहो ना।
लिरिक्स आपने गलत गाया, लेकिन गाना
दिल
सही
मेरा
है.
सुनने को बेकरार है, कहो ना प्यारे कहो ना।
Perfect. The other one is, dream in eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen beloved. Why has heart chosen beloved?
नैनों में सपना, सपनों में सजना।
You're the only one जिसने ये गाना गेस किया, बाकी सब फेल हो गए थे इस गाने में. Yes.
So not bad. Yeah, I'm good
The
at
other
all
one,
these.
yeah, you
I'm killing
bang
it. Right?
on, yeah,
Are
bang
you giving
on.
me gifts?
You're embarrassing me now.
No, I'm loving your dimples.
Okay, the other one is, oh, saw a girl and felt like this. Saw a girl and felt like this. Like a blooming rose, like a
एक
poet.
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे
Yes, perfect.
खिलता गुलाब जैसे शायर
शायर
का
का
ख्वाब,
ख्वाब.
जैसे उजली किरण, जैसे
मन में हिरन.
जैसे हाँ अलग अलग.
Okay, the other one is,
great songs.
yeah. So just like the need to breathe, for your life all you need is
सांसों
a
की
darling.
जरूरत है जैसे जिंदगी के लिए.
वे सारे
बस
गाने
एक
फेल हो गए
सलाम
हैं
चाहिए
आपके
Not
सामने.
bad. That means I'm such a love song person.
You will have to sing also now.
No. Considering my voice is still husky, I'm at least capable of communicating with
Okay.
you right now. I can't talk. I had a bad
एक
voice.
गाना तो गाना पड़ेगा fans
In
के
this
लिए.
voice.
Anyone, एक last we'll take. Day is about to end. Twilight is on the way. Let me go. I have to go.
सूरज हुआ no. Day is about to end. जाने दो जाने दो मुझे जा.
No, 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 no.
Okay. Okay.
Day is about to end. Twilight is on the way. Let me go. I have to go.
What?
Cheater.
No, I didn't hear it.
Acha.
Wait, I genuinely didn't. If I did, I would
Okay.
have said it.
Yes, yes.
1 second.
Day is about to end. Twilight is on the way. Let me
Twilight.
go. I have to go.
दिन खत्म हुआ रात हुई तो Twilight is night, right? Yeah. है ना? ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम जाना है जाने दो. Twilight is not शाम.
इसमें ट्वाइलाइट शाम ही है.
Yes.
बताना भी पड़ेगा क्यों और कैसे.
Fun summer, in fun.
Okay,
I'm
वैसे.
not a fighter cop. I don't like to fight.
Oh,
It's too negative for me.
Okay. Have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping?
How can you prank
On
somebody who's
set.
sleeping?
On set.
Oh, like with.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think one of our co-actors was sleeping on the sets, so we clicked pictures and we gave it out. So there was an entire bunch of people who had come to interview us. Extremes.
Oh
are
my
really
God.
big. Yeah, total extremes. So I've seen both the ends and it's been fab.
Okay. Have you ever walked out of a movie because it was bad?
So many times. I have slept in movies. I have walked out of movies. I'm done. See, because I'm a movie buff, I'm very sorry. I have to watch all the movies that release.
Okay.
So when you have Mami happening in Bombay,
Yeah.
one whole week I'm watching around 30 to 40 films.
Okay.
Okay. So during Mami, I make it a point that whole week I just dedicate myself to film viewing.
Okay.
Every film, in fact, when I was in school and college, if there were 2 films which released on a Friday, I would watch them 12 to 3 and 3 to 6.
Oh my God.
That's
Bang.
how much I love watching movies. So I've seen a lot of movies.
So walked out of
So
you.
I have my preferences and I have my tastes in place. But yeah, it's been. So I have slept because and like guys, I'm really exhausted and I was on a diet.
Oh.
So there was a Dr. Durandar who had given me a diet to be on a eating spree of every half an hour.
Okay.
So wherever I went,
Huh.
I used to carry food in my pockets.
Okay.
Irrespective of a club or a movie or work, obviously I have my
Yeah,
stuff and
unit,
everything is
huh.
sorted, right? So in the club, firstly I was carrying biscuits in my pocket because Dr. Durandar had given me biscuits to eat every half an hour.
Okay.
So firstly my parents were taking part of that.
Yeah.
And I was so exhausted that in front, it was very rude on my part, but I was so exhausted because I was working so much. I slept on the woofer. I kept my head on the woofer and I've slept on the woofer with blaring music on the woofer.
Oh
So
my
you
God.
can imagine movies nothing. Movies are very
Okay, yeah.
comfortable space to be.
Yes.
Somebody who can sleep in Oris by resting your head on a woofer can sleep anywhere in the world.
But that was also because you were exhausted.
Otherwise, I would never sleep on a woofer. This one you have to do.
Yeah. This one is sweet.
So in front of DJ Candice, I have
Huh.
slept on the woofer, right? So
you
he's
must be
like on his-
thinking, why is this girl sleeping? Because I'm singing such.
because she's a TV actor and she's exhausted and GECs don't
Yes.
see timelines. And I'm young and I want to party and I want to work. So you gotta pay the price somewhere,
Yes,
right? You
yes.
can't sleep on a shot. You have to sleep on the woofer.
Okay, the other one is, have you ever faked illness to like stay home?
No,
Never.
no. Because I've genuinely fallen ill.
Okay.
I never fake it.
This reason
No
change.
fake stuff for me.
Okay. Have you ever cried in public?
All the time. I'm a big crybaby. As much as I laugh, I cry twice as much.
Okay. Have you ever traveled without a ticket?
In a train or a bus?
Anywhere?
No, yeah, I'm too correct that way. It's kind of irritating because I'll only it'll work on my own mind.
Yeah.
My own conscience will start killing
Yes.
me. So I have to have it. Never.
And lastly, have you ever lied to your parents about where you were going or where you were
Yeah.
there?
Slumber nights with friends, pajama party. Yeah. but not like all innocent stuff. Like
Okay.
not nasty
Not
things.
too.
Yeah. Now when I look back, it looks innocent. Back then it seemed quite nasty.
Okay. So Chakshika is asking that what kind of a person are you? Introvert or an extrovert?
I'm an introvert. I'm an extreme introvert. But I have become used to the fact of being around a lot of people and communicating a lot. I communicate a lot with a lot of people because of the nature of my work, and I meet so many people. But I'm an absolute introvert. What goes in my emotions, sometimes it's kind of difficult to understand what I'm dealing with, but it's not because it's the lack of my close people's reading about me, but it's about my lack of communication towards my own personal emotions.
Okay. So Poonam and Priya both are asking that do you wish to host some reality show in future? Because you are a very good host.
Thank you. Yes, I would like to host a reality show. I like TED Talks right now. It's on Star Plus. It's a good show. I've been following TED Talks since a lot of years, and I'm glad they have an Indian version to it, and I'm glad Star Plus is doing it. I like. I want to see a different space of non-fiction on television because the same thing again and again and again and again, and I don't know if I don't know if it's rating. I'm not in touch with the ratings of it. But if it's working, then why not? If the audience wants it, then why not? But if I want to do something, I want to do something different. That's why I like TED Talks. It's interesting.
Okay. Sneha is asking that what kind of show will you pick up? Like, will you do a Nagin series or will you do a normal daily soap? Which genre? She's basically asking.
Depends. Yeah, it all depends on who's writing a TV show because television is a totally writer's medium. Obviously, so is film. Every writers come top in priority, but television specifically, and I have no fixed genre in my head right now. I have no specifics, honestly. I want to work with good, creatively sound people, and they have to be from the writing team, the direction team, the actors. Obviously, I've been fortunate and challenged all the time to work with theatre actors, which make me feel very less in skill. So I've always pushed myself to do better. So yes, that's the kind of work I've been doing. Interesting work with interesting people and good concepts. That's exactly what I'm looking for.
Ankita is asking, any show are you following currently on television? Daily soap, she's asking.
No, I can't. The only series I've actually religiously watched are my own series.
Okay.
And that too because I wanted to critically examine my own self.
Okay.
Not because I'm in awe of my own self. I'm extremely self-critical. And in fact, I'm very harsh on my own self more than...
Very good. That's a good feature.
It's not a good feature, babe. Trust me. Ask me. I'm too harsh on my own self. So yeah. But no, I can't. I find television a very... as an audience, it's a very strong commitment to be... even I don't watch American series also because of that, because it's too much of a commitment, and if I commit myself to something, I want to watch it completely. So yes, I'm one of those people who's not seen Game of Thrones, unfortunately. But then, but I have seen a lot of series. But if I sit to watch a series, tough story. But if I sit to watch a series, I will finish it, no matter where I am, what I am. Then I'll be like dedicatedly, I'll view it, I'll see it. That why am I not finishing it? But I saw 13 Reasons Why, which was a very nice series, interesting high school drama. I wish to watch the Game of Thrones. I wish to watch This Is Us. I wish to watch Big Little Lies, and there's so many of them. There's a huge wish list.
Okay, so finally a message for your fans who have been here to chat with you and say hello to you.
Thank you for all the love and affection. Immense gratitude from my end, and I hope I won't let you down.
Thank you so much, Ragini. It was lovely having you.
Likewise.
Thank you. Bye.